Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python fast. To begin, focus on understanding the fundamental concepts of programming, like variables and control structures. Consistent daily practice is crucial for developing your coding skills and building muscle memory. Start by dedicating at least 25 minutes each day. Then, immediately apply what you learn by building small, manageable projects. This hands-on approach helps solidify your understanding and keeps you motivated. Next, dive into understanding data structures and common algorithms, which are the building blocks of efficient code. Leverage the vast array of online resources and join active Python communities to ask questions and share insights. When you encounter errors, view them as learning opportunities. Debugging your code is a powerful way to deepen your understanding. Remember to take short, regular breaks to keep your mind fresh and prevent burnout. The most effective way to learn Python is by doing. Begin with simple, achievable projects, such as creating a basic calculator or a number guessing game. As your confidence grows, gradually increase the complexity of your projects, perhaps moving to a to-do list application or a password generator. Collaborating with other learners on coding tasks can also provide new perspectives and accelerate your learning journey, exposing you to different problem-solving approaches. Finally, continuous learning is key to mastering Python. Stay updated with the latest features and libraries by following official documentation and community news. Contributing to open-source projects offers invaluable real-world experience and helps you connect with other developers. Remember to check the description for a link to those leak-proof meal prep containers, as well as other helpful deals to support your coding journey. Keep challenging yourself with new projects and never stop exploring.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.